Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing shrimp kebab, shrimp on a stick, any way you call it, you know. So this is my fresh shrimp that I got. It was frozen and I actually used this bag, jumbo raw shrimp. This is what I use. So this is what is in this bowl. It's already been cleaned and everything. So that's what we're going to be doing today. In here, as you can see, I got one habanero pepper and then half a slice of onion, and then I'm gonna put it in there, blend everything out. I'm gonna put a little bit of Maggi. These are Maggi in this Ziploc bag, so I'm just gonna put like this much of Maggi in, and I'm gonna blend. I'm going to blend. So I'm going to empty. I'm gonna empty this into this bowl. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of oil, and then I will use Old Bay seasoning, but you can use any other seasonings that you have, but I'm gonna be using Old Bay seasoning, and then a little bit of oil and a little bit of lemon juice. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So this is Old Bay seasoning. Any other seasoning, like I said, will work. So that's that. You can use any oil that you have. I'm using this tablespoon so that the shrimp will not stick on the grill when it's time for me to grill it. So basically that's the reason why I'm adding a little bit of oil in here as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of paprika, and then I'm gonna, you know, put the shrimp onto the sticks and then let it marinate until when I need it, then I would just, you know, take it. But you can make this ahead of time if you want to, which would be great ahead of time. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, about that lemon juice, just in case. This is lemon juice. So I'm getting ready to stir this shrimp, and once I do, I'm gonna leave it back into the bowl and then let it marinate until I need to take it outside to grill it. And yeah, so here I have two choices for you all today that I'm gonna be eating with my shrimp. So I have two sauces. I have this pepper sauce right here you can get from the African store or homemade by anyone that knows how to make pepper sauce, okay? And then I also got this Boom Boom shrimp sauce from Walmart, and this was $1.98, I think it was, yes. So I have two choices that I'm going to be eating with my shrimp. I'm going to use actually both on my plate when I'm eating my shrimp. Okay, so those are my two choices. And also I have my sticks in a, in water, so that the sticks will not burn once I put it on the grill. So I'm going to take my stick now, and I'm trying to put my shrimp into the stick. You can use any vegetables that you want to for your shrimp, but I'm not going to do that today. Today, this is what I'm craving to eat, and yeah. So yeah, this is all that I'm going to do. Put that on there. You can also make this 2. You don't have to do what I do. You can also make this 2 per stick or 3 per stick. Up to you. Okay. So now I'm going to rub all of the sauce onto the meat. You can also eat this like this, or you can put it onto your salad and do that as well. That would be so bomb if you do that. So guys, so this is what the sticks looks like, and they look good. So yes, I'm gonna leave it here, let it marinate and everything else. So yeah, once I grill it outside, and I will come back and show you how they look and what I'm gonna put on a plate with it and stuff like that. Thank you guys. I'll see you back again after this is all grilled, all seasoned, marinated and everything else. Look at that, 3 per stick. Let's eat, y'all. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my shrimp. So shrimp on a stick. So like I show you, this is the sauce right here, and this is the pepper sauce. This is the boom boom shrimp sauce and everything else. Man, when I tried this, it was so good, y'all. So this is a great way to use up your shrimp. You can also put this, into your salad as your meat. It gives you that nice spicy flavor and things like that. So basically, this is how I'm going to eat it. Dip it in here, dip it back in here, and eat it just like that, y'all. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this simple but delicious recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.